Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Imagine a future where every car on the road is electric, and the factories that build them are humming with robots. In China's eastern Zhejiang province, a cutting-edge factory is leading the charge in automotive manufacturing, and it's powered by some of the most advanced welding technology in the world. At the Zeekr factory, located in Ningbo, robots are taking over the tasks once reserved for human welders. These aren't your typical industrial robots, though they're specially designed to work on complex car chassis with precision and speed. With ElectroDrive News, we've been following this story closely, and today we're going to take a closer look at how these robots are revolutionizing the electric car industry. According to reports, Zeekr's factory is home to some of the most sophisticated welding robots in Asia, capable of handling everything from intricate panel layouts to complex structural components. But what sets them apart? The answer lies in their advanced sensors and AI algorithms, which enable them to adapt seamlessly to changing production requirements. But it's not just about speed and accuracy. These robots are also designed with safety in mind. In an industry notorious for its high injury rates, Zeekr has implemented robust safety protocols that protect both human workers and machines alike. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Now, you might be wondering what this means for the future of electric car manufacturing. With ElectroDrive News, we're committed to bringing you in-depth coverage of the latest trends and innovations in clean energy technology. And as we continue to explore the intersection of automotive and renewable energy, one thing is clear. Robots like those at Zeekr factory are poised to play a major role. As the world shifts towards electric vehicles, factories that can keep pace with demand will be the ones leading the charge. And with their advanced welding technology and commitment to safety, companies like Zeekr are setting the bar high for what's possible in sustainable manufacturing. That's all for now from ElectroDrive News. Thanks for watching.